going to look at linear relations, which is basically just graphs. Now, a linear relation, basically what it is, it's a graph of a straight line where we have a constant change in one variable is a constant change in the other variable. So same jumps. So first example here, we're going to look at how much to cost DVDs online. So we have to represent this data using a graph. So the first thing you need is you need axes. So you need two axes, a horizontal and a vertical axis. And here we have one that is the number of DVDs, D, and the other one is C, the cost. So you always put your independent variable on the horizontal axis. So here D, because this number here, the cost depends on the number of DVD we rent. So D, it goes 1 through 5, so we can just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can keep going 6. So every 2 squares is worth 1 DVD. So every 2 squares, yeah. And this is the number of DVDs. Now here, the other this is the dependent variable, C, which is the cost. So the cost in dollars is 350 for the first one and $7 the second one. So here I could do jumps of 350, or I could just do one square is a dollar. So how many squares do I have here? I have 5. Yeah, I think that'll work if I do one square is a dollar. So I'll just get myself a little bit more room here. So right here, that would be 350. $7 here. This would be 1050. This would be 14. And this would be 1750 right there. 1750. And this is 1050. So now I want to graph this. So one DVD is 350. Two DVDs would be 7. Three DVDs would be 1050. Four DVDs would be $14. And five DVDs would be 750. So what do you notice? A straight line. Now, this is a linear relations because my data creates a straight line. Second question, what would be the equation of this? Well, the equation would be your jumps. So here my jumps are a constant jump every time of 350. So that's my multiplicative factor. So the cost is equal to the jumps, which is 350, multiplied by the number of DVDs. So that would be my equation. And makes sense because my cost is determined by the number of DVDs multiplied by 350. That's how you graph a linear relation. Here's your practice. Make sure you check your work behind the book.